Day 4 of the Strait of Hormuz closure, and things are getting worse, not better. The IRGC shut down the strait after US and Israeli strikes hit Iran on February 28th. We are talking about 20% of global oil supply, 13 million barrels a day, completely blocked. 5 tankers total damaged, 150 ships stranded, 2 crew members killed. And as we can see, oil reaction. This is US crude oil price. Let's see some companies as well. Shell. Ah, Shell is doing well as well, probably trying to close the gap. Exxon. Yep. Oil stocks broke. They're going to new highs. New highs. Nobody knows where they're going. If the strait stays closed for 9 months, the damages in Europe will be insane. We are talking about supply shock, hyperinflation, everything. It will be like a recess. If that strait happens for 9 months, people will starve for sure, and probably us as well. So, stock market. Stocks are treading water. The S&P 500 is down about 0.9%. The Nasdaq actually squeezed. Let's see it. So S&P, S&P, yep. S&P 500 here on the weekly. So, sign to hold above the 10 EMA. If it fails on the weekly, it probably will test 50 EMA. It tests, which is high probability, as we can see many times. Try to break this all-time high, but we see it always rejected. So it's a high probability S&P 500 goes a bit lower. Does not seems like it's exhausted for now. Of course, it could reverse, but there's more chances to retest these levels here. To retest the resistance here at 6,500. Okay, Bitcoin surged past $73,000 today, a 1-month high. BTC is up while stocks are down. Does that mean that people consider Bitcoin now as a safe haven, not a risk asset anymore? Maybe that's the way now. Maybe people still realizing now that during the war, if there is you cannot use your money, Bitcoin, you will be able to use it because you can carry them anywhere. Banks cannot block you from holding it. So yeah, we can see here it broke from on 4-hour chart. Let's see the daily where we close. Yeah, most probably will close above the resistance here and might push to 2026 open, which is 87K. Why not? But first we have a resistance here. In the daily close here, yeah, quite possible to go to 79K. I would probably have a long setup for on daily open. Yeah, if it close above 73K, I will go along. If it goes up, if daily candle closes above this, I'm going long until here. Yeah, why not? So let's see our profit, stop loss. To maximize it, I will put it on lower time frame. Put it here, 70K. Yeah, it's a good 1.5R. Might go for it. Now, let's see the weekly, what's going on with this weekly. Weekly app, getting interesting. We've been in a downtrend since the all-time high, making lower highs, but this week's candle is pushing hard. We are at 73K, volume strong. Let's see if it closes above the 20 EMA, RSI up. Let's check the RSI. Yep, RSI was also at all-time high and now it's rising. So if weekly close above there, then we might retest 80K. Daily shows one of the yep, daily, yep. S&P is doing a whole, yep, just shopping here, but I think eventually S&P 500 will go lower. Now let's go check gold. Whoa. Gold weekly trend remains firmly bullish despite yesterday's scare. Had a bit drop, but it's pulling back up. It's probably retesting the highs. This is look the graph, guys. Gold is as bullish as it gets. See the daily, color time frame. Yeah, yesterday 4.3% drop. It's already being bought. Get close above the resistance here, and we're good to go. Yeah, it's probably a pullback, then retesting the highs. Don't know if it will break an all-time high. Depends what's going on tomorrow. I don't think they will make a deal, so let's see if gold keeps pushing to another high after a high. Now let's check our bot for gold. Signals. Okay, $900 to almost 8,000 USD. We had some couple of losses. This is the withdrawal we did. This is not a loss, just a withdrawal. So yeah, we had a couple of losses, around 300 USD. That's free trading. You can always win. So yeah, this bot loses a lot, but wins a lot. Yeah, that's how it is. That's how trading it is. Let's keep checking the bot to see what it's gonna do. I wonder what this number will be in the total profit in the next couple of weeks. Okay, guys, stay safe.